Hey, it's Swoof or Kobold Koi, back at again with another fish video. I did say I planned on making this into a series, so of course it continues. This one is just as bad as the last. It's another tank video, this time by Dots DIY. This video is going to be shorter than the first because this one has many issues that are similar to the last one. When I first saw this thing, oh my goodness, I want to scream! You know my rule about for goldfish requiring 30 gallons? Well, for any fish, it's a similar thing. You could put maybe 3 guppies in a 10-gallon tank, and the larger tank you get, the more fish you can have. There's this tiny little light bulb, and you can clearly see in the video, right here, that the fish are very, very stressed out. Look at them. Just look at them. Let's start with the obvious. This tank is way too small. It's just too small. That's not even a gallon, not even half a gallon. Nothing is going to be happy in there. They say in the description, home decorative. Weird way to call a fish a decoration, which they are not. Next fact, no filter or bubbler. You can't even fit a filter or bubbler in there. No matter what, it is just not going to work. This tank is gross. It's bad. It's horrendous. This is harming the animal, harming the fish. Watch how he puts those fish in there. Look how they act. They're scared and stressed, and you can see it. Now, let's talk about how this thing could actually look good and work. Well, let's put those guppies in a nice 20-gallon tank with more friends before we start, and dump all the water out. Don't even put those things in there to start with. Okay, so let's actually make this pretty. Let's make this something all of us might enjoy. Those pebbles, add them in. A little at the bottom, and then let's pay a shit ton of money for the cutest plant in the goddamn world. An air plant. Set her inside, Mr. Weekly. Voila! A cute little light bulb decoration that's easy to take care of and does not harm anything. Man, now I want one. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I wanted to make a shorter video. Didn't want to overwhelm you again. Please subscribe and leave a like down below. Also, don't forget to comment your opinion. I would love to hear what you think.